You are about to find out the key levels for AMC Entertainment, ticker AMC. So we are down 9.5% today. Now, what are the key levels to be paying attention to? So you can see, obviously, on the open, we had a massive sell-off. We came into a 360 support. This is our first deviation on the 6-month. Obviously, buying pressure, as to be expected, came in at this level, taking us to the VWAP. And now since here, we're kind of just consolidating between the two. So from a day trade perspective, kind of just waiting for it to break out of either side. And that should give us more likely of a trending direction for the day. If we break to the upside, should be quite an easy trade up to 392. So that's the intraday perspective on AMC, but what's going to be more key is the swing focus on a stock like this. So what am I paying attention to? So obviously, again, you had the massive gap here. This is when they basically caught confirmation now that they can convert their APE shares back into basically AMC shares. Never a great thing from an investor standpoint. Again, that's why you sold off so much off this news. But since then, we have actually been seeing a bit of buying pressure. Today's our first red day, so we'll see how this turns up. Again, we've got that 360. Be paying attention to this level, whether we can hold it or if it's just retesting it as a support to continue higher. But if we do break that level and we break our recent low, then we have support at 275 and 230, which if you're trying to get long this stock, these could potentially be really good levels to start getting long on a stock like this. Now, on the other hand, if we start continuing up, if you're already long bias, these will be used as targets. If you're not already in, then definitely something we could be looking at to trade short bias, and that'd be 530. 530 I think could be quite nice anyway, because not only is it our first deviation from the 6-month, you're very near to that year-to-date anchored VWAP, and really it was just kind of a level that was quite key as we came into that gap that happened here, which was when the basically this court appeal originally got rejected, was this move. So again, that 530 will be key, and if we break that, we then have 610 as a really strong resistance to be paying attention to as well. And if we can get here, this is where I'm really looking for that main short opportunity. And again, quite a big move from here, but a stock like AMC, you get the big downside moves, but you tend to get the big upside moves as well. So if we get that, that's somewhere I'm quite happy to jump in short. Because again, at $6, you've got the quarterly anchored VWAP, so this goes from June 1st, and then you've got this blue second deviation at 610, which is our second deviation from the 6-month chart. So again, two strong resistances if we're able to push up to these kind of highs. Targets if you're long bias, or again for me, or a sense how I kind of trade it more as a reversal trade coming into these levels. With AMC, again, it can be hard to get the shares, but they do have tons of options, so it can make trading it quite easy, just to outright puts or vertical spreads to trade to the downside. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.